As you have seen, we have been testing Alpha 1 Safe, a strategy that you find in my pocket option auto trader. It's because that strategy have got the most upgrades lately, and it's had amazing performance on every time frame, but we have still not tested it on 5 seconds. So in this video I'll do some live trading with this strategy on 5-second closing time. So if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this binary option robot that you see I use in this video, make sure you get the link that you upload video. And also, this is not just for cell phone. I do have it for Chrome extension and I do have for Google Play Store. So both is one-click install, very easy to use. Okay, now let's start up and let's see how we do on a 5-second closing time.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listen.
And just like that, $3,910 in matter of minutes. And this time was on 5 seconds. This strategy we have on Pocket Option Trader is amazing. So we had in all 4 wins, 3 losses, 57% win rate. That is good in my book on a small time frame. So if you want this binary option robot yourself, you find link below the video for both desktop and cell phone. Both is one-click install, easy to use. So that, have an amazing day.